to the elbow in push-ups, okay? So just like you pop up on a surfboard, you should really be popping out with your elbows out. Your elbows should be in, okay? So going down to the ground, my body's gonna be straight, as straight as possible, so you don't want your butt up in the air and you don't want your butt sagging, okay? Try to keep your body as straight as possible, and you can have your hands about shoulder width apart. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring my body down, and you can see I'm letting my elbows come in. So I'm not flaring out my elbows, I'm not doing this. Okay, that was the motion that we used for the 45-degree roll, right? We're pulling out, okay? But with the push-up, the elbow in, I go down with my elbows in, my elbows should be rubbing against my ribs, and then I pop back up. Down, up, okay? And if you're doing 15 to 34 years old, you're doing 25 reps. And if you're doing 35 to 54, you're doing 20 reps, okay? So you finish doing your 45-second rest of the 45-degree rows, and you move into the elbow in push-ups. One more time, make sure you guys a different angle. Elbow in push-ups, my elbow should be rubbing my ribs. Come back up, down, and you really should be fluid in this manner here. For your 25 or your 20 reps, you should just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a good pace. Again, make sure you have your elbows in.